Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to explore navigation controls in ASP.NET. Navigation is a crucial part of any web application, and ASP.NET provides powerful controls to simplify this process. Let us dive in and see how we can use these controls effectively. Menu control. The menu control in ASP.NET allows you to create dynamic menus. You can define menu items statically or bind them to a data source. Let us take a look at a simple example. Tree view control. The tree view control is perfect for hierarchical navigation. You can bind it to various data sources and customize its appearance. Let us see how to use it in an ASP.NET application. Next, let us look at the tree view control. This control is very useful for hierarchical data like categories, folders, or nested pages. In this example, I have defined a web.sitemap file that describes the structure of my site. You can see it starts with a root node for home, then a subnode for products, which has two children, electronics, and books. This structure will automatically appear as a tree in our web page. On the ASPX page, I have added a ASP sitemap data source which connects to the web sitemap file. Then the ASP tree view control uses that data source through the data source ID property. The tree view automatically generates expandable and collapsible nodes for each level. The show expand collapse property is set to true, so users can open and close categories easily. You can also style the text using properties like font names and forecolor. When we run the page, you will see the tree view showing home as the top node, products below it, and inside products, electronics, and books. You can expand or collapse the nodes interactively. This gives users a clear way to browse large sets of data, especially when you have multiple nested sections. Tree view is excellent for category, list, or admin dashboards where structure matters. Let us start with the first example, the menu control. Here, I have added a simple ASP menu element inside my ASPX page. The orientation property is set to horizontal, which means the menu items will appear in a row across the top. You can also make it vertical by changing the orientation. Inside the items tag, I have defined several ASP menu items: home, products, about, and contact. The products menu has two sub items, electronics and books. This gives us a clean hierarchical navigation menu without writing any JavaScript or extra HTML. You can also connect this menu control to a database or XML file for dynamic data. For example, If you have a list of product categories in your database, the menu control can automatically populate them. Finally, you can customize its look using CSS or properties like static display levels, font names, and back color. Here I have given it a light gray background and a modern UI font for a professional appearance. Let us run this now. You will see a nice horizontal menu where products expands to show electronics and books. That's how easy it is to build dynamic navigation with the ASP.NET menu control. Site map path control. The site map path control provides breadcrumb navigation showing the path to the current page. It is easy to implement and work seamlessly with the web.sitemap file. Let us explore how to use it. Finally, let us move to the sitemap path control, which provides breadcrumb navigation. Breadcrumbs show users exactly where they are within our website. First, I have defined another simple web.sitemap file. It starts with the home, then products, and inside products there is a child page called electronics. This structure helps ASP.NET to know the hierarchy between pages. Now, on our page, I have added a sitemap path control. It automatically reads the website map and display the current page path. Here, I have set the path separator property to the greater symbol, so it will display as home products electronics. I have also applied a few simple styles like a font family and size for a clean look. This control requires no manual data. It is generated entirely from your site map. Let us run this now. When you navigate to the electronics page, the sitemap path control will automatically display home products electronics. If you go back to the products page, it adjusts automatically to home products. This breadcrumb navigation helps users quickly understand where they are in website, and it is greatly useful feature for with minimal code. Best practices. When working with the navigation controls, it is essential to follow best practices. Ensure consistency in your navigation structure. Make sure your controls are accessible and design intuitive navigation for a better user experience. Conclusion. In this video, we covered the menu, tree view, and site map path controls in ASP.NET. These controls are powerful tools for creating user-friendly navigation systems. I encourage you to try building a navigation system in your ASP.NET application and share your experiences in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.